Hey guys, it's me Chylissa and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please be sure to subscribe because that's what you have to do in order to be a part of that group. In this video, I'm going to bring to you guys some new makeup that is new to me. It may not be new on the might not be new in the market. The only thing that I think is brand new is my Cora palette. But as for the rest of these things, they're not new on the market. I've had them for a while. It's just I've never gotten around to using them. So today, that is the goal, to achieve this look. It is a little bit cray-cray, but you know, we're just learning, pushing along, trying to do different things here. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, just keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is go in with this Dr. Jart's Shake and Shot Rubber Purifying Mask. Okay, now that that is done, this is what it's looking like. So while this is drying, we're gonna go into our eyes. Something new that I've actually had this for a while, but I've not used it yet. So I'm gonna try it out for my eyes. And yeah, it's brand new. And I'm feeling like I want to go in with, is that fire? Yep, fire. So what I want to do today is very, very dangerous. And I want to actually go in with a black. This black she has is supposed to be poppin'. So we gonna see. I'm just using that to put down first because I want to do red and then have the black behind it. I mean on top of it. So now we're going to go in with that fire. And this I only want to do it on the top. Okay. Now I'm going to go back in with some concealer. Going in with this Night Glitz. Get these facial wipes. Garbage. So this isn't new, but I just got a new one. I haven't used this in so very long. This is when I first started doing makeup. Tatcha primer to have a nice canvas to begin to paint all over. Foundation. Foundation 25. So I wanted to buy Beauty Bakerie a long time ago, like when I first came out with this foundation, but when I tell you for months they did not have my shade, and still I don't know if this is my shade. Like, this is just based on trying to match myself according to what the website said, because they have a shade matcher. This might have to be my summer shade, child. Come back in with that Maybelline. Boom boom, let me say ew, ew. Boom boom boom, let me say ew. I see why people are going stupid dummy crazy about this concealer. I like a lot. I go back in with some hit that second layer. I don't have a new contour, so we're just gonna go in with our fancy. I can go in with this BH Cosmetics. I'm gonna use that brush that I used to, that nice ankle brush. I go in with some Hangover. Go in with this Too Faced. And I'm gonna go in and do my under lashes. Going in with that Night by Cora. Then taking this glitter. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. That's really it. I went through and showed you guys all the makeup. It was all stuff that was new to me. It might not be new like on the market yet, but it's stuff that like I might have had for a while and I just never used. Or for instance, this literally just came on Friday, so it's lit for that. And for my eye lenses, I have some contacts in from a brand that sent these lenses to me called Iris Beauty, and these are in the shade Pure Brown. They are really comfortable. I have no issue. And I'm just going to tell you guys a little bit about the brand. So they're based in New York, and they were created in 2017. They work to develop unique colors, and at Iris, we believe every woman deserves versatility in her makeup routine to make her feel good about herself, no matter her eye color or budget. It's founded with a rebellious mind and a lofty objective to create unique colored contacts with top-notch quality material and innovative printing technique that offer both natural-looking aspects and safe for the eyes. And then it just says, "Hello, gorgeous. Iris Beauty is happy to have you on board as because I'm a influencer now. Look at God. I'm an influencer now for 2 brands in the matter of 3 months into 2019. I'm telling you right now, I'm coming for everything that I deserve. Are really, really cute, and it helps step up the look. Like, I always see beauty gurus doing their makeup and they have contacts on. It just gives it a little bit of edge. I thought this would be cute, and I think that the look came together pretty nicely. My foundation is from Bakerie. Now, this is definitely gonna have to be a summer shade for me. This was not my shade. Although in the bottle, you know, those fog bottles, they can be confusing. But for this one, when I put it on my face, I was like, oh, that's great. And then when it set down, I was like, wait a minute, that's completely different color than what it started off as. So I would definitely have to go in and try to get a different shade. I've always been scared to like work with black eyeshadow, and I will probably continue to try to attempt other ideas with this black. That is all I have for this video. I thank you guys for tuning in, and I hope you enjoyed and you go to try some of this new makeup, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Yo, look, hey yo, I open my eyes, the sunrise, right atop my cranium, stress weight the body like uranium, what's the verbatim, every day like deja vu, only fear is I start to get comfortable, not wanna be typical, climb my way to the pinnacle, while I'm alive in my physical.